Hello guys, welcome to Hedgehog Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you add a review to a Word document. For example, someone writes a Word document and just ask you to take a look at it and giving some comments. Now, how can we do that? For example, I have an article about pandas. Now, I don't believe that this study has been done on 2006. So I'm gonna go to Insert tab, no, into Review tab, of course, then select the controversy. Okay, select the problematic part of the article, then I am clicking the new comment. Yeah, it is my name and surname, but you don't have an idea what is this letter. And so, okay, I don't care. Now I'm gonna write here that no, it is 2007. Okay, and that's it. So the guy who will look at it after you can see this comment and can refine this document according to your comment, and also even he can give a reply to your comment like, no, you stupid, it is no, it is 2007, no, 6, like that. So it's quite easy and useful, but the thing is, to see the reviews, there's a, where is it? I'm going to show you. To see the reviews, this button is not active right now, but this button should be active. Like, let me save it and close it. I'm going to open it again. Here in the review tab, you can see show comments. If show comments is closed, then the guy who will look after you cannot see your comments. So show comments has to be active, and that's it. It's quite easy and useful. I don't know why I'm still doing that, but some certain reasons. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video and find it useful, do something necessary. I don't know what should be done. Okay, goodbye.